Get over here! Where'd they go? Oh, they're trying to catch the trailer on fire. They've got the big one right now.
That's the lava lamp! Mommy, that's the lava lamp!
Okay, quit yelling.
Hey, that's the one we're talking about.
This is the big one.
Whoa! That's the lava lamp. Mama said that was
okay, you keep saying that. Watch it.
Mama said that'd be pretty. Hey!
What?
I'm gonna go get out the blanket.
Well, they're shooting off the big one right now, so you watch it.
Is it gonna come over here?
No, it's not gonna come over here with any luck.
But can we have a blanket?
Go tell your grandma you want a blanket.
She went and told
I know.
Grandma Brenda.
That's not her grandma.
I know. Now she went and told her grandma. There's two all the way up. She only bought one. I think that one that Sean has in here, the lava lamp.
Excuse me, that was hiccup.
No. That one that Sean has.